Hello and welcome everyone. Abdurrahman Chauhan from LYIT, roll number 7 here for Introduction to Explainable AI and Responsible AI. As we all know, artificial intelligence is transforming the industry and it empowers multiple sectors. However, the AI system become more complex and crucial to understand how they make decisions and ensure they are developed and deployed ethically. Now, this introduction explores the concept of explainable and responsible AI, the importance of transparency in AI system. It builds trust. It enables accountability and responsibility. It facilitates debugging, promotes fairness, and supports the explainability of whatever the decision AI had made, which is very important in many of the things, including healthcare and some high-stake applications. Since AI is completely black box, these are very important. When we say interpretability versus explainability in AI, interpretability in AI refers to the ability to understand how a model makes its predictions, while explainability focuses on providing clear and understandable explanation of the model's decision-making process. The interpretable models are transparent, allowing user to comprehend the internal logic, whereas explainable AI aims to communicate the reasoning behind the model's output. That if this is the output given by the model, that for this particular input, then what is the combination? What is the linking it is doing? It is done by error, trial and error. Hence, it is explainability part. Now, the techniques for achieving explainable AI includes model interpretability. The very first is model interpretability, where designing AI models with inherent interpretability, such as decision trees or linear models, can provide transparency into how the model arrives at this prediction. Then there is explanation method. Leveraging post hoc explanation techniques like SHAP, LAM, or integrated gradients to generate visual or textual explanations for a model's output. Then, last but not the least, is counterfactual analysis, where exploring how changes to input features would affect an AI model's prediction, allowing users to understand the model's reasoning. Ethical consideration in AI development. As an AI system becomes more advanced and persuasive, it is crucial to address the ethical implications of the development and deployment. Ethical considerations include ensuring AI respects human rights, promotes fairness and non-discrimination, and prioritize transparency and accountability. When I say responsible AI development requires robust frameworks to mitigate the risk of AI, such as algorithm bias, privacy infringement, and the potential misuse of powerful AI capabilities, ethical AI principles must be embedded throughout the entire AI lifecycle from design to deployment. When I say bias and fairness in AI models, there are three main things: algorithmic bias, inclusive design, and algorithmic auditing. AI models can perpetuate societal biases present in the training data, leading to unfair decisions. Identifying and mitigating these biases is crucial for ethical AI development. We say inclusive design, it ensures AI systems are designed with a diverse perspective and user groups in mind, help prevent exclusive and promotes fairness for all stakeholders. When I say algorithmic auditing, it regulates audits and testing of AI model for bias and fairness issues are essential to maintain accountability and identify areas for improvement. The very first, accountability and liability in AI powered decisions, is transparency. It is explaining AI models' decision. Then there is oversight for monitoring AI system in operation, and then there is last liability, assigning responsibility for AI caused harm. It should be liable for whatever decision it is taking. When we say regulatory framework for responsible AI, the ethical AI guidelines, AI legislation, industry standards, and oversight and enforcement. These are the few regulatory frameworks of responsible AI which we should keep in mind. Practical applications of explainable AI are hundreds and thousands, especially in the domain where the stakeholders are really big, including healthcare sector. When explainable AI is being applied across industries to enhance transparency and accountability, in healthcare, explainable models help clinicians understand treatment recommendations. In finance, they provide insight into credit decisions. In criminal justice, they illuminate risk assessment factors. Autonomous vehicle leverage explainable AI to clarify their decision-making process, fostering trust with passengers. Similarly, AI-powered chatbots use explanations to build users' rapport and address concerns about their capabilities. Now, last but not the least, the future of explainable and responsible AI. We all know it's increased adoption of explainable AI. There is an advancement in AI interpretability techniques as well, and there is much more emphasis on ethical AI principles for indiscrimination. Then last is regulatory framework for AI oversight, where it governs and policymakers will establish guidelines and regulations to ensure the safe and ethical use of AI technology. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.